Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel. Today we are going to start to crochet the pattern like a water wave. I already made one video for water wave with a needle for knitting pattern. Now I'm going to show you how we can make that pattern with the crochet and hook. For this pattern we need to have multiple of 6 plus 2. We're going to make some chain, and then after that we insert my hook in the second one and make one half double crochet, and then keep continue until the end of the row by make a half double crochet in each stitch. And as I told you, for this pattern we need to have multiple of 6 plus 2 more for edges. I'm going to keep continue until the end of the row and I'll be back. Now I already finished the first row. As I told you, it has to be multiple of 6 plus 2. Then we are going to chain 2 and return the work. What we have to do from here, we are going to make again one row of half double crochet, but not as usual. You have to insert your hook here between these two chains like that. Let's do the first one like this, and then the next one we start to insert my hook here between these two, and then make another half double crochet, and we are going to keep continue until the end of the row. As you can see here, the loops you can see visible. The reason is because we are going to make the wave like this. The way this stitches, chain stitch, it has to be short. Let me do just a little bit more. And if I turn the work, you can see like that. We're going to keep continue until the end of the row, and I'll be back. When it comes to the end of the row, we keep continue by make half double crochet here, and then one at the top of the first one, and we're going to have like this. Now we make 2 chain and return the work. We are in row 3. What we have to do, we count 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the 6th one I insert my hook exactly here under the 6th stitch and start to make 5 double crochet in the same stitch, like that. Then we make 5 double crochet exactly in the stitch behind that one. Insert my hook in the stitch here and make 5 double crochet in the same stitch. 2 3 4 and 5. pattern. For the first one should looks like that. Then we make one single crochet the next one, and we repeat the pattern by do it in the another one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. When it comes in the sixth stitch, I go under the stitch below and then make 5 double crochet in the same stitch. Let me just do one more time for you. This is 5. Now I have to make 5 double crochet exactly in this chain here, the chain behind, and the chain exactly near to the first double crochet. So what I have to do, I insert my hook here and make 5 double crochet and repeat the pattern like that until the end of the row. When it comes to the end of the row, after you make the last one, you have to also have 6 stitch left. We are going to make one double crochet at the top of one single crochet at the top of the last one. The pattern should look like that. We chain 2, return, and then here for the first one I'm going to make one half double crochet, and in this row we are going to repeat the pattern like row 2 by insert my hook here between these loops and make half double crochet. In each chain like that. Here between these we keep continue until the end of the row. Just let me show you how it's. You have to go all around the stitches like that. When it comes in here also we have to do, and here again, and we keep continue like that. As you can see here in front side, again we should have this one like row 2. We keep continue until the end of the row, and I'll be back to show you the next row. Now I already finished the row. I'm going to make the last one, and then when it comes to that chain I also make one double crochet, and the pattern should look like that. We chain 3 and we back the work. When it comes here, we start to make 5 half double crochet in this, the first one. 1 2 3 4 and 5. And in this pattern I'm going to look at the one I made it before. Here I'm going to insert make single crochet. Set 1 2 3 4 5. In the fifth one I insert my hook and make one single crochet like that. Then we count again 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the sixth stitch, the one below, we are going to make another 5 double crochet. As you can see in this row, we are going to make the pattern between these two. And what we have to do for stitches near the first one, we are going to make again 5 double crochet. Then again on the fifth one, 1 2 3 4 5, I insert my hook and make one single crochet like that. We repeat the pattern again until the end of the row. And when it comes to the last one, 2 3 4 5, I'm going to insert my hook here, make single crochet. This is the time to make exactly like the one in the beginning. What we have to do, we take the one before the last one and make 5 double crochet, 4 and 5. Then on the top of the chain I'm going to make one more double crochet for edges. This is the end of this row. Then we are going to chain 2, repeat the pattern. For the first one I make 1/2 double crochet, and for the rest of the row we are going to repeat like row 2 by insert my hook between these two and make half double crochet. We are going to repeat that one again until the end of the row, and then when we finish it's time to repeat the pattern like row 3. It means we are going to make one single crochet and then take 6 stitch and then start the pattern like that. If we repeat these two pattern, the row 1 like that, row 2 the pattern like this, you are going to have a pattern like that. As I told you, I already make this one for needle. If you like, I'm going to leave the links in the description. You can watch that video also, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a good day.